Assalamu alaikum and welcome back once again. Today in this video we're going to unbox this printer, that's Canon's G5070, and this is going to be my first unboxing video, and I'm going to tell you why I feel this is the best value for money printer, which I got it for 10,000 rupees on Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description below and I'll tell you what other options I had in my mind before getting this. So first thing first, this is just a printer and does not have a scanner. But for me, since I do all my scanning by mobile apps, I could compromise on the scanner and trade in for 3 other features which this printer had, but you can't get it on any other printer of this price range. But if I could stretch my budget by 3,000 rupees, there was Canon's G5010 which had similar specs with scanner, but that did not support for Mac OS. Then I was left with Epson's 3150 and brother T510. But the extra bonus features which this printer had was Duplex Printing, Airprinting, and Pvc Card Printing. And I'm going to tell you what are they. Before that, let's unbox this. Out of the box, we have the usual manual, a header for black and color, ink bottles, and of course the printer itself. It's just a plain square design and nothing fancy. This is the header, and a good thing what Canon did is the header for black and color are separate, so that in case you have an issue with the header, you can replace it for less money. Now, Airprint means you can print directly from your iPhone without using any app. And Duplex Printing means you can print on both sides of the paper automatically. And of course, PVC Card Printing means you can print your own thick plastic ID cards at home. So that's it. Hope you liked it and thank you for watching.